How to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. Hello guys and welcome back to this brand new video. So first thing you wanna do to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and then on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is scroll until you find Telegram, click on it. Now when you click on it, click here on this force stop to stop running the app, and after click on it, go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Go back to the home page on your phone and then open the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Telegram and click here on update. If you don't have the latest version, you should update it, and you can do the same thing on iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.